Russian defense forces released the footage of ongoing operation carried out by K-52 Alligator in the battlefield of south and northern Ukraine. The footage released to Russian media shows that K-52 attack gunship are destroying Ukrainian fortified positions and armored columns with unguided rockets and guided weapons. It is also seen that Russian gunship are flying with advancing infantry on escort duty. Russia has deployed three types of attack helicopter in its Ukraine operation, namely M24, M28 and Ka-52 Alligator. As per the footage, K-52 is taking the lead in blasting the enemy positions, helping the advancing army. Two Russian Ka-52 attack helicopters were also shot down by the Ukrainian military over the Skadovsk district, Kherson region, in the south of Ukraine bordering the occupied Crimea. The Ka-52 is a dual-seat attack helicopter with the distinctive coaxial rotor system of the Kamov Design Bureau. Ka-52 has a soft-tipped nose profile and a radar system with two antennas, mast-mounted for aerial targets and nose-mounted for ground targets. Day and night TV, thermal sighting system in two spherical turrets are also fitted. The Ka-52 has the side-mounted cannon with pilot ejection seats.
Готов к пуску. Понял.
Разрешен. Разрешен.
Вот машина впереди стоит. Хорош.
The Ka-52 is fitted with an electronic radio and sighting piloting navigating system allowing flights at day and night in VFR and IFR weather conditions. The avionics is based on the system of precise target designation with digital coded communication system, which ensures the exchange of information between helicopters flying far apart from each other as well as with ground command posts. For its own protection, Ka-52 is fitted with a radar warning receiver, electronic warfare system and chaff and flare dispenser. The whole system works on principle of evaluated response based on infrared or electronic impulse irradiation. Extensive all-round armor installed in the cockpit protects the pilot against 12.7 mm armor-piercing bullets and 23 mm projectile fragments. The fire control system automatically shares all target information in real time, allowing one helicopter to engage a target spotted by another aircraft, and the system can also input target information from ground-based forward scouts with personnel carried target designation gear. A substantial load of weapons can be carried on 6 external hardpoints under the stub wings, a total of some 2,000 kilograms. Anti-tank armament comprises 12 laser-guided Vickr anti-tank missiles with a maximum range of 8 kilometers. The laser guidance is reported to be virtually jam-proof and the system features automatic guidance to target, enabling evasive action immediately after missile launch. Alternatively, it can also use Ataka laser-guided anti-tank missiles. Kamov 52 can be armed with Hermes or anti-tank guided missiles.